Hello, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 18th of July and it's 2026 and it's Saturday. We're going to do a review of a trading day of Friday. Okay, the last day of the week. Let's get into it. So there was no trade for me, and I highlighted these 2 weeks. I don't need to show much right now. So this is the candle which we're going to talk about. Okay, so before the session I was more bearish. Okay, but in the session, after seeing some price action, I was seeing it more like a bullish movement, and even on higher time frame it could be a retracement or can be a reversal. Okay, so on daily chart we already went lower, or and there are some lows to the downside, and there are smooth highs as well. There are relative equal highs. So this high haven't took this high, and this high haven't took this high, and this high haven't took this high as well, and this is the higher high. Okay, and 4-hour chart, same thing, but there's no clean break in market structure till now. We went lower, and this is the low which was made before reversing to the upside, which take this low and also touch the upper quarter of a weekly. Okay, and haven't touched this low quarter, didn't touch this low quarter. So on 1-hour chart you can see we break to the upside, and then after this we went lower, touched this upper quarter, and this was a bullish sign, and then we start going up, and also we respect this low quarter as well. On 50-minute chart things are more clear. There was no news, it was no news Friday, and at the 8:30 we went lower. Let me confirm it if it was no news Friday or there was any. Yes, there was any 8:30 news. So there was no 8:30 news. Went lower, took these lows. Okay, plus we take the daily low, which was a higher time frame, plus we touch the upper quarter, and then we at the 9:30 opening we start going to the upside, and there on 15-minute chart, as you can see, they were smooth highs to upside. But at that time I was not totally bullish, and there was also no entry given at that time, and the first entry for me, or the only entry for me or model was forming, which was here. Okay, I will explain it in a minute. So this was the first presented fair value gap 5-minute. Let's look it on the 1-minute time frame. 9:30 went lower a bit, respect this upper quarter, and reverse to upside. Okay, and there was this clean expansion, went higher, take this high, plus touch this upper quarter, and then trace to the downside, make a 5-minute first presented fair value gap, and then there was some consolidation, and then there was this. If I this is something which can be said like a model for me. Okay, went lower, no, and then break this upper quarter plus propulsion block, and this can be, and it is much clear on 5-minute chart. And I didn't take any trade here because as I said, I was first bullish, oh sorry, bearish, and in between the session I started looking there we can reverse to upside, and there was smooth highs at least on the low time frame right now which can be taken. And after the 9:30 we already took this high. Okay, there was no news Friday, and after that we were consolidating, and after this could be a trade, or even this can be, could be a trade. Okay, so and the target would have been at least to this C, because we respected this low quarter of the weekly, so I'm expecting price to go to this C at least, and then this is the low quarter which I'm looking into. Okay, but I didn't take the trade. I just closed the chart after seeing this, and after seeing this consolidating I was thinking like, should I take the trade, should I take the, and I just decided, I was at job and I decided that I'm not going to take any trade. And yeah, this was the day, and the week has been ended. This so for me the week resulted in a 1 hour loss, and the previous week resulted in a 2 hour win. So yeah, not that a big bad week. So yeah, and one more thing, which okay, yeah, I forgot, already reviewed this day, so on this day there is no trade. Okay, I think that's it. I will try to make a weekly review video. Today today I didn't go to the work because I got 2 days off in a week, which Saturday and Sunday, and still I got things to do beside my job, which I have to cover up in these 2 days. So still I will try to make a weekly review type of a video. And yeah, I know still that I'm not able to make video as I should. I'm not able to make a review video as I should. Inshallah that I will things will be better, and I will time by time I will start making videos better. And yeah, I think that's it for the day. Inshallah in the next